Bridgeport ground, Skylane 63296 at the south ramp, requesting taxi to the active with hotel and making an eastbound departure.
63296, Bridgeport ground, taxi via hotel, hold short on runway 624.
Via hotel, hold short 624296. At Bridgeport Tower, Skylane 63296 at 6 Bravo, ready for takeoff, eastbound departure.
Skylane 63296, Bridgeport Tower, eastbound departure, approved, runway 6 at Bravo, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 6 Bravo, eastbound departure approved, 296.
And the wind variable 060 to 120 at 14.
296, thank you.
Bridgeport Tower, 52 Quebec.
Not too much.
Downwind and like to make this our last touch and go with the southbound departure.
Striker 52, Quebec, Roger, runway 6, clear touch and go after completion, right turn out approved.
Clear touch and go, right turn approved, 52 Quebec.
Bridgeport Tower, Grumman 1075, 1.7 from Spain.
Grumman 1075, Roger, report the final approach fix inbound.
075.
Okay, we're level at 5,500 feet. We're 32.3 miles from Westerly. We're en route to Block Island. We were going to be heading over to Provincetown or Martha's Vineyard today, but unfortunately, because of some smoke fire that's blowing in from Canada, that whole area is covered in IFR mist and fog and low visibility and smoke and haze down to 3 miles. It doesn't look like it's heading east. I'm sorry, it doesn't look like it's heading west, so we should be okay. We're just going to see how it looks a little bit further ahead.
Block Island State Airport, automated weather observation 1614 Zulu weather. Wind 120 at 10. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition.
Momaf expected this beach 445 Charlie Tango. We're about 10 miles to the south of the airport. We'll
target traffic, Cherokee 530 Kilo, left base 19 hours.
Momaf expected beach 445 Charlie Tango.
Block Island traffic, Skylane 296, 10 miles northwest, inbound for landing, and we'll make a 45 for the left downwind, 10 Block Island.
Just passing in the...
Altitude.
Westerly Islander 4, Whiskey Bravo, turning base 14, Westerly.
There's traffic taking off heading in this direction, so just keep an eye out.
Direction?
Yeah. Block Island traffic, Skylane 296, 5.5 north, entering on a 45 for the left downwind, 10 Block Island.
Block Island traffic, Mooney inbound, 1,500 feet from the southwest at 10 out. We'll circle the island and land. 10 west, Mooney, 1,500 feet inbound from the west.
Block Island traffic, Skylane 296 on the 45 for left downwind, 10 Block Island.
Hey, I'm going to go check the wind stock.
All right. And Block Island traffic, Skylane 296, turning left downwind 10 Block Island.
Wesley traffic, Skyhawk 635, breaking off the localizer 7, crosswind approach for runway 14 westerly.
West.
Block Island traffic, 296, turning left base 10 Block Island.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, high, 1 mile.
Block Island traffic, Mooney is 1500, south of Block Island, 5 miles, circling the island.
Block Island traffic, Cherokee 81305, turning left downwind 10 Block Island.
Down for traffic, Jumpers Way.
Okay, Block Island traffic, Bonanza, we are 2 to the north. We'll be entering a left downwind runway 10 Block Island.
Block Island traffic, 296, turning final 10 Block Island.
Block Island traffic, Diamond Star is about 1 mile to the south of the airport, looking for the Mooney. We're entering midfield left crosswind, 10 Block Island. Westerly traffic, Skyhawk 635, left downwind, 14 westerly, full stop.
305 is midfield downwind Block Island.
Okay, Diamond Star is left midfield crosswind. That's the traffic on downwind inside, 10 Block Island.
Traffic with Salmon, base to final 13 Hamilton.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, high, less than a mile. Traffic, 12 o'clock, low, less than a mile.
It's fine. We're on final, it's our runway.
Block Island traffic, Diamond Star is turning left to midfield downwind 10. Looks like we're number 4, and we'll be extending the downwind.
81305 is on the left downwind for 10 Block.
And Mooney is now east of the airport and at 500 feet, correction, 1,000 feet. Should be no factor to departures of 10 Block Island.
305 turning final 10 Block.
Block Island, Bonanza turning left base 10 Block.
Westerly traffic, Skyhawk 635, left base, 14 westerly.
And Block Island traffic, 296, clear of 10 Block.
Westerly
Parking 296 with you.
296, how long are you going to be with us?
About maybe an hour and a half, probably just to grab a bite to eat.
Okay, bring it down here. There's an airplane leaving a little closer. I can get you up here. Beechcraft, do you copy?
You want me next to the red and white Skyhawk? If not...
Follow the yellow truck and I'll demonstrate for you.
Okay, thank you.
Right here, tail against the fence.
Got it there.
Hey guys, this is the Diamond Star. Just cleared the runway.
Hey, Diamond Star, you see that red Beechcraft in front of you there? You can follow him. Tail against the fence.
Wilco.
You folks see a taxi cab, any of you?
Nope, we're just going to eat at Bethany's.
We do, 81305.